Hey guys, how you doing? So what I'm doing right now is I'm just cooking. Well, actually I'm heating up food that my parents gave me. So let's take a look. And here it is. I've got some chicken and some bread here. I think it looks fantastic. And to the right here is my Chromebook. I also have a MacBook as well, an older one. And right now you could see sort of like the current setup. Everything is everywhere because when you're in a tiny space like this one, what ends up happening is you sort of have to move things around, especially when you're cooking. So for example, right now I've got the burner here, I've got the pot here, which I make sure isn't too close to this one here because I don't want it to melt. But then I've got this as well, so I've got a way to heat food, sort of like a little oven, like a Dutch oven, and it works really good. I'm going to turn this down a bit, and I'm going to get some more bread. So some bread right here, and this is called pandesal, and it's like really simple type of bread, type of bun. My parents gave it to me, and I just take it like this, throw it in there, take out the other one. Now I'm on that for a bit. This will be my second one. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna place this here. And I've got these mitts because this gets really hot. I remember the first time I used this thing, I wasn't thinking, and I went to grab that and burnt my hand. But I just love this thing. So obviously this isn't 12 volts. I've got the window open back there. I've got a front window open, and because I am right now just parked and I want to be discreet as I'm cooking inside the van. But typically I like to cook outside of the van. Yeah, and this is what my van looks like on a daily basis when I go on trips. You know, when I'm doing stuff, right? So, you know, when I do my videos and stuff, actually I don't really clean up a whole lot. I do clean up, but this is the van right here, as is. Oh, I want to show you something. This here is just totally amazing. Just really fantastic. Got this. So my soup would go in there. I could put my soup in here. Goes like this. And just really wonderful. That was gifted to me. I always appreciate that. And just a quick video that I wanted to share with you guys on things that I do in here. For example, heating up food. Just do this right now. Turn it upside down. And that, I think that chicken's going to be done very soon. I'm just heating it up. It's already cooked. Okay. So I'm done. Thanks very much. Have a great day.